Now then, so for example, 20s are what? The luminary is 50, but new laser only require 18 watt, can produce at 54. So OLED is 40 watts, it can produce at 78 luminary per watt, but new laser 36 watt can produce at more power, more than luminary 83. OLED 65 can produce at luminaries are 77, but new LED 58 can produce at luminary 83 luminary per watt. So this is why when you use as a lamp, even you use the energy efficient lighting, so if possible you should replace with the OLED for about 3 or 4 years you should replace. Another one is increase the utilization of the light. So if you want to improve the energy efficiency, we have to increase the light utilization. So in this case, so quantity of lighting, so you have to use the appropriate reflection system. You have to utilize, so the reflection is the most effective way to increase the luminary. So you have to use the reflector from the wall, ceiling, floor. You have to use the appropriate reflector. By this way that you can maximize the utilization of the light. Okay, another one is indirect component. So just ceiling and floors can absorb the light. So because of this one, we have to incorporate the high reflectance surface. High reflectance surface need to be incorporated into the building design. So that when the light is reflected, we can reduce the wattage requirement. Okay, so another one will be this is for the comparison. How the building reflection is important. So, for example, we compare the two buildings. They use two lighting source, same lighting source. The lighting source is 40 watt fluorescent luminance. So this is the 40 watt fluorescent luminance. So first building for the ceiling or the reflector is at 50%. Wall reflector is 20%. Floor reflector is at 20%. So ceiling is a beige, wall is a walnut timber, and the floor is a mid brown. They are the dark and the low reflector row. So in this case, all the reflectors are low. So that kind of building, we use a luminance requirement is a 77 quantity. So this is 77 net. So to get the appropriate illumination, so we according to the surveys, they found that the 77 lights will be required. So how you make the survey? You put the light and then use the light meter. Light meter I showed you last week. So that light meter you put here and then you measure the luminary. So by this way you can know the appropriate light level. So this for that condition we need 77 lights. And power used for 260 hour month. So this is kWh for this 260 hour month. So what will be the they are the total power will be 2,000 kilowatt hour per month. So this is we require 77 lights. But if you input the long condition means the ceiling is that we put the high reflectance. So this is the 80%. So off white. So wall is the this fine cream we use 70% reflecting, and wall floor is we use a brown. So floor can't change too much. So this is 20%. So in this case, floor color is you can't change too much. You can't put the two white color on floor because all the time you have to be cleaning. So this is the floor should be a little darker. So you forget the cleaning, it doesn't matter. If you put the white below, all the time you have to clean. That is so below you cannot adjust. Only you can adjust the ceiling or the wall. So the floor is you can that situation. The light requirement is 59 light. And so this is kWh for the 250 hour month. kWh for 250 hour month. This is the lighting to the lighting hour. So that will be 1534 kWh per month. So you can see that the energy different ways. So you can say technical switches are different between the energy because of it. So if you want to improve the energy efficiency, one thing that I have already given you so many approach. One is that you have to utilize the appropriate building design system to increase and maximize the lighting, light flow, light inside, and also improve the cooling, minimize the use of the energy so that your building design, building material affect the inside condition. So then I also give you the psychometric condition, feedback comfort, heat flow aspect, and also give you the construction of the appropriate air conditioning system, building construction system. Those things are everything affect the building design. Now that we going through the lighting management. Lighting management also influences the energy efficiency. So that in this by combining the two systems, we use the same light source but the building appearance. So appropriate reflection, by providing the appropriate reflection, you can increase the lighting efficiency, and in the meantime you can reduce the energy usage. The next thing is that this is we can choose the design aspect. Another thing is that we also have to provide to improve the energy efficiency. Automatic system, human factor also be considered. Human means that some people that does not switch on the light, even how you design you do, the whole light all the light are switched on, so it will waste the energy. So it has to be their intervention. Now they use that intervention design, they install the light control. So this is timer. After 4 hours, light automatic off. So this is the after 2 hours, all light automatic off. This is even if someone forget to switch on the light, this timer automatic off the light. So that kind of system are now utilized to control the energy efficiency. Another thing is that not only to conserve the energy efficiency, the human factor is very important. You have to educate your staff. So motivation means that all the staff have to be motivated to reduce their energy usage, so to understand, to not to waste the energy. Those things are also important. So that to the energy management factor is not only the technical aspect, technical design aspect, and the human nature aspect, and also the appropriate planning and the appropriate motivation system. So those things are also combined in the energy management.
This is why we install the switch of the unused luminaires. Many research is being conducted into the improving the efficiency of the lamps and luminaires, and if a reduction in the power consumption 5%, it achieves without any loss of the light output. This is a research as a substantial development. However, switching only the one luminaire or is 20 times are more efficient. There are many areas where the lighting is usually left on for the whole working day, but used for the only in a few hours for the example, boardroom, canteen, corridor, storeroom, stay with the nature lighting, air conditioning plant, and the lift rooms. Instead of banning hours in the public areas can be the best reduced by the use of the automatic switching such as the light sensitive switch, die switch, programmable die switch. So that there will be the humans illumination requirement for the ASR 1680.1. There will be the location of the entrance room, store room, hall room, and also the illumination requirement locks. That's ones I give in this table. In the meantime, we also see there's a lighting arrangement. When we are using the lighting level, important one is the glare control. To control the glare, luminaire must control the intensity of the light, incident with the direct field of the vision. This basis are performed by the screening of the light with the shield, lower, or the by reflecting the light into the desired zone through a clear prismatic lens panel. So this is there you can see there's a lighting control panel, how to install the light. So there will be the light lighting level will be sunny day is outside is a 100,000 lux, off is a 50 lux to 1,000 lux. Standard is a ASR. We can utilize the standard AS 1680, 199, 1970 addition, interior lighting, and the uses environment, visual environment, and then light efficiency. In this case, depend on the light source. Tungsten filament there is a 15 lumen per watt application, color, matching, display, domestic, low pressure sodium discharge light is 150 lumen per watt. And so we also utilize a roadway and the security. So this is the ways how we control the lighting control system. We have to compare the old lens and the new lens energy efficiency, indirect component of the lighting system comparison, also the switch off the unused luminaire to improve the energy efficiency, and also the illumination requirement.